Hey everyone, this is Model Arena, a platform that helps developers find the best local LLM for the specific project. Here's the problem. If you're a developer and you want to add AI to your app, you have hundreds of open source models to choose from. Do you pick CodeLlama, Mistral, Qwen? There's no easy way to know which one actually works for your code base without spending hours downloading each one. So we made Model Arena. What you have to do is you have to put your GitHub link over here and then you click Analyze Repository. What happens is when you paste a link, Claude AI fetches your repository through a GitHub API. It reads your README, it reads your source files, your package manifests, it understands what your project does, what language you're using, what kind of LLM task would actually help you. Is it code generation? Is it summarization, classification? Claude figures that out. Then it generates evaluation prompts that are specific to your actual code base. So if you're building a Flask API, the prompt tests Flask route handling and API design. If you're building a data pipeline, they test data transformation and SQL generation. Next, we go to Hugging Face, and what it does, it is generates prompts. So these are the prompts which it uses to test out the specific models, and these are the models that it recommends. So it uses Hugging Face and it finds out the best models specific to your GitHub repository and which models would be considered perfect for your case. What you need to do is nothing. You just need to click this button, proceed with these models, and it automatically starts setting up the containers. We set up the containers inside Docker, and we download those models locally. And after those models are downloaded, this is what we see. So we have Qwen and Qwen 2.5, Qwen 3 Coder, and this is another model. These models are specific to your tasks, and you just click Run Evaluations, and it should run evaluations. This is one of the previous ones, and this is the evaluations that we see. So we have average tokens, keyword accuracy, and other judging criterias. We have accuracy by category, so how much reasoning it does versus how much summarization it does, how much coding, how much aptitude it has for coding, the comparisons of the tokens per second, so the speed, the latency, resource usage, and Claude acts as another judge here, and it judges how accurate the particular models are specific to their tasks. So for example, coding is 55% for Qwen 2.5, but we can see for summarization, all of these three models work perfectly. What we also have is for specific prompts, we have the judge details for all of them. So how much time it took, how much tokens it generated, what were the keywords, and what's the judge's score based on the accuracy. These take into account the responses, and it generates the correctness, syntax validity, and the best practices. And it generates a detailed evaluation on each of the different prompts. What we also have is we can add custom prompts. So if you want to actually test out something that's really specific to your code base, you can put your prompt here, and you can add over here, and you can just add a new prompt. Because we didn't put anything, that's why it's returning that.